TheNeoCoreX reviews, platform overview, and browser-based access. People searching for the TheNeoCoreX reviews often want to understand how the platform works, which devices it supports, and whether registration requires an immediate payment. The TheNeoCoreX presents itself as a browser-based trading platform created by market professionals for people who actively follow financial markets. The platform operates entirely online, so users do not need to download or install additional software. This structure allows the TheNeoCoreX to be accessed through a modern browser on a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or compatible smartphone. Users can open the platform from different devices while keeping charts, account information, and market updates within one online environment. A positive feature discussed in the TheNeoCoreX reviews is the registration process. According to the platform information, creating a profile is free and does not require an initial deposit or payment details. Funding becomes necessary only when a user decides to begin making transactions. The TheNeoCoreX also adjusts displayed times automatically to the user's local time zone. This helps keep charts, market events, asset schedules, and account activity aligned with the user's real-world schedule. The platform includes a strategy center where users can explore market-related information and review available features. Clear navigation sections cover the platform, support, frequently asked questions, privacy policies, cookies, and official terms.